Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. In the last part, we colored the face and now we're going to color the body and hands. I'd really appreciate it if you could support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It helps us stay motivated to make more videos. Alright, now I'm going to turn on the reference layer so we can see the rest of the body and copy the colors from it. Now go through the layers and look for the hand layer. As you can see in the video, we've found the right hand. When coloring the hand, we need to color each part separately since the stroke and fill colors are different in different areas. I'm going to start selecting these parts. Alright, now we're going to start copying the colors. To keep everything consistent, I prefer to copy the face color for this part so the character's skin tone stays the same. I'll do the same for the stroke color, and the stroke size also needs to be the same. Now I'm going to turn off this layer so I can see what's underneath and use the reference below to color it properly. Just make sure that for areas where one side has a stroke and the other doesn't, it's better to color everything with a stroke first and then use hide edge to remove the stroke where it's not needed. I'll be coloring both hands. For strokes like this that have a thinner end, after selecting and creating the stroke, we'll use the line width tool to adjust the thickness at the end until it looks right. Alright, now it's time to color the body. We'll do it the same way we did for the hands. I'll do the same for the neck as well, and for any parts that don't need a stroke, I'll hide the stroke after coloring. Alright, after coloring the body, neck, and hands, let's check the results so far. To do that, just turn off the reference layer and press Ctrl+R to see what you've created. Every step you take is progress, and you're getting closer to becoming a pro animator. In the next parts, we'll finish the coloring and fix any issues or missing details in the character. After that, we'll move on to rigging and bring our animated character to life like a real person. So don't forget to like and subscribe.